the music Imbizo. As you all know, they're going to be having the event from the 26th to the 28th of August 2026. That's when the music Imbizo is going to be starting, and we have the film festival this year, right? Yep, so we're going to be having the film festival, but she's going to tell you briefly, Uguti, what exactly and how you guys can come along and be part of the team and enjoy the event.
Morning, guys. Yeah, Sheila. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna kill you. Okay, so I'm Nonkanyiso, and as I mentioned before, I'm a radio host and also a PR practitioner bit. And I've been part of the music Imbizo for quite some time now, as more like on your digital side of the music Imbizo. I say I'm one of the core team members of the music Imbizo. Well, if you come to be part of the music Imbizo, rather to perform or submit your film, it doesn't you are late because there's value in submissions. So I'd suggest next year rather, hlala nje website or the social media platforms the music Imbizo you can submit. Or rather get this information on how you can go about if you're to be part of the music Imbizo rather to perform or to submit your film and all of that, or rather to be one of the speakers. Because one of the things that I've realized by now, we don't really get a lot of submission from local. When I say local, I mean like about KZN. You find like the application is meeting from Joburg and also international. So KZN people don't be sleeping on Imbizo. It's a massive platform, especially for artists, creators. So if we're going to get who's a artist or creative, as I said, during the day, we started as a mentioned background next to get 26 until 29 is August. So we about a month. Yeah, it's not July, but it's in August. And during the day, it's more your conferences, because from all around the world, from these artists and people just in general in the creative sector. Get topic that's where we mostly want artists to come in, because that's where you learn a lot of things. We have professionals that come in and bafundise. We also have what do you call this, where you submit your music. We have all DJ by your songs, and then listen to music listening sessions. We get to listen. They get to listen to your music, and OP is a good example of one of the guys about recognize music Imbizo, yeah. So if you have to make sure you're part of the music Imbizo, so you can be part of that music listening session. We also have competitions also. You're gonna look as a economy website, so you just take time and go straight to the website and just go through everything. Competition, we really don't get a lot of people about international because of, and that's the funda. But kuno 10,000 guys personal ngabo payan. The one that is already up now is the Moon Court, where if you ordinary more the legal side, you're a lawyer, but in the musical side, that's when you compete again and then you get to walk away with 10K. Yeah, so and then in the evening we have showcases. That's where we have artists all around the world again. We have local artists, we have international artists, we have guys from the Netherlands, we have guys from Nigeria, Uganda. There's a lot. And And then Mr. Siba name. Also, we have two people that are sending music in Imbizo. We have the visitors and we have the delegates. Delegates, ngaba ticket 350. So 350 it gets showcases mahala because it gives you access to the showcases in the evening. You get to enter for the competition because when you delegate, it just gives you access to a lot of things. And then if visitors ngabangena mahala, they attend nje sessions asemini, but in the evening you have to buy the tickets that showcases in Zinjalo. Yeah, and I think I covered everything unless you have questions. You follow us on social media for more info. There's also a new baby music in Imbizo, the music tour and travel. If like you have friends or whoever in Joburg who want to come down for the music in Imbizo, they can just go to the website, get that information, or you can WhatsApp us. Because we assist you in accommodation, just to cut costs, man, because traveling is expensive. So we have packages that cater for Amanda Basubakwe. Currently, we do have a package for the guys from Pretoria and Joburg. There's a bus coming down, affordable, but it doesn't include accommodation. But we do assist you. If you're familiar with Durban, yeah, as it is in Jalo, I think I covered everything, guys. So during the day, we'll have a film festival where you will watch different films from Amandu Abasabetileo Eli, and these are international people and local as well. Yeah, I think. Exhibition, yes. So I think I wrote that down. So if on a brand, guys, and if we promote music in Imbizo, this is your chance. There's a small or macro business stand that is about 5K. That information by size you get that on just send an email or go to the website. There's also a standard stand that is about 25K, and custom stand is about 75K if you wanna exhibit on the music in Imbizo. And the good thing is that you'll be exposed to international audience. It's not only gonna be Devonites or South Africans, but you'll be exposed to other people as well from other countries.